Today's sales are slim pickings, and weirdly, Poshmark decided to show up today. We've got 2 Poshmark sales and 1 eBay sale. Not a bad day, not a great day, but we're working with it. All right, let's pull these orders and pack them up. First up, a little girl's Hannah Anderson piece that I found at the bins 723 days ago. Yes, 723. That is almost 2 years. Like, that item has been through seasons, holidays. It's basically been paying rent in my inventory. Finally sold for $18, which I will absolutely take, but like, was it worth the long-term commitment? This wasn't a flip, this was a relationship. And honestly, going forward, I probably won't be picking these up again unless it's super unique or unless it's whispering to me from the bins like, please save me. Next Poshmark sale, these Nike cargo sweatpants that sold for $21 after 212 days. And these are such a cute style. I'm honestly shocked they didn't sell faster. Like, in my head, I was like, oh, these will be gone in a week. Nope. Apparently everyone was just collectively waiting until day 212 to finally decide they needed cargo pants. Also, Nike always gives me false confidence because the second I see that swoosh, I'm like, oh yeah, this is money. And then it sits and sits and sits. It's usually an easy pack up and ship, and I'm not mad about it. Last sale of the day and the eBay order, this Yumi Kim dress that I sourced from ThredUp 218 days ago. And listen, this one was a learning experience because I only made $5.96, which is basically a black coffee from Starbucks. Tall. Like, thank you for your service, little dress, but you did not do what I thought you were going to do. This is one of those buys where I'm like, oh my god, it's Yumi Kim, it's a dress, it's gonna be a quick flip. No. And you know what's funny? This is exactly why I try not to get too confident when I'm sourcing online, because at least at the bins, if I make a mistake, it's like, okay, whatever. It was $1.49 or $2. So today your girl is $33.16 richer. We love that for me. Hopefully tomorrow is better, and I already know it will be because I already made 2 more sales tonight. So I'll see you tomorrow, packing those up too. Also stay tuned for my bins haul video coming out tomorrow because it's a good one. At least I think it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!